Find the following if f of x equals x squared plus 3x plus 2 and g of x equals x plus 1, f times g of negative 2. We begin by writing f times g of negative 2 being equal to f of negative 2 times g of negative 2. And that means substituting in the value negative 2 in place of x here for f and negative 2 for x in g of x. So this is going to be equal to negative 2 quantity squared plus 3 times negative 2 plus 2. And that's f of negative 2. Now for g of negative 2, we substitute in negative 2 for x, and we have negative 2 plus 1. So now we simplify inside of the brackets. Negative 2 quantity squared is positive 4. 3 times the negative 2 would be minus 6 plus 2. And then, of course, negative 2 plus 1 is negative 1. So now, 4 minus 6 is negative 2. Negative 2 plus 2 is 0. So we have 0 times negative 1, and that, of course, is equal to 0. So f times g of negative 2 equals 0.